Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. I've got a great question for today's AMA, and I think it's one a lot of you are asking right now. It's 2025, and artificial intelligence is everywhere. So naturally, the question is, can I use AI to create Google search ads? If so, how? I love this topic because it blends the worlds of smart tech and effective advertising, two things I'm incredibly passionate about. Plus, using AI can save you time and boost your campaign results when done right. So buckle up, because we're going to dive into this and uncover some actionable insights you can take away today. Now, this question hits close to home because AI tools have evolved leaps and bounds since I wrote my book, Make Each Click Count Using Google Ads. While the fundamentals of crafting high-performing ads haven't changed, you still need to understand your audience, write compelling ad copy, and bid strategically. AI now plays a huge role in simplifying and scaling those processes. So yes, you absolutely can use AI to create Google search ads, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it effectively. Step 1, understand AI's role in search ads. First, let's set some expectations here. AI won't magically transform your business overnight, but it will help you do things faster and smarter. Think of AI as your assistant, not the driver of your campaigns, but someone sitting in the passenger seat with a great map. Google itself uses AI in its ad platform. Features like smart bidding, responsive search ads, and Performance Max campaigns are all driven by Google's own AI. So even if you're not consciously using AI tools yet, you probably are already benefiting from it without realizing it. But beyond Google's built-in features, there are third-party AI tools you can use to improve your ad creation process even further. Let's break this down into actionable steps. Step 2, use AI tools to generate ad copy. One of the most time-consuming parts of creating Google search ads is writing great ad copy. You need headlines that grab attention, descriptions that convert, and variations for Google to test. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI can save you a ton of time. Here's what I recommend. Start with a strong prompt. AI tools are only as good as the input you give them. For example, if you're running a campaign for a skincare brand, don't just type, "write a Google ad for skincare." Instead, give the tool specific details about your audience and your unique selling proposition. Something like this. Write a Google search ad for a skincare brand that targets women aged 25-40 who want affordable, cruelty-free skincare. Highlight our free shipping and 30-day money-back guarantee. Review and edit. AI will give you a solid draft, but don't just copy and paste it into your campaign. Review the suggestions, tweak them for tone, and make sure they align with your brand voice. This is especially important because Google has character limits, 30 for headlines, 90 for descriptions, so you may need to condense or refine. Test multiple variations. AI tools can help you quickly create multiple ad variations. This is great for responsive search ads, where you can upload up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. The more variations you provide, the better Google's machine learning algorithm can optimize your ad performance. Step 3, leverage Google's built-in AI features. If you're using Google Ads and not tapping into their AI-powered features, you're leaving money on the table. Let's talk about the two big ones. Responsive search ads, RSAs. These are essentially Google's version of AI-created ads. You give Google a bunch of headlines and descriptions, and their AI tests different combinations to see which perform best. The key here is to provide diverse options. Don't just rephrase the same headline 10 times. Smart bidding. Google's smart bidding uses AI to adjust your bids in real time based on a ton of factors like location, device, and even search intent. You can choose strategies like target ROAS, return on ad spend, or maximize conversions. While these features are powerful, they work best when paired with solid data. So make sure you've set up conversion tracking correctly. Seriously, double check this before you start. Step 4, analyze and improve with AI. AI isn't just for creating ads. It's also for analyzing performance and finding ways to improve. Tools like Optimizr or Google's Recommendations tab can help you identify underperforming keywords, adjust bids, and refine your campaigns. You can even use AI-powered analytics platforms to dig into deeper insights about your audience. For example, AI might show you that certain keywords perform better in the evening, or that a specific audience segment has a higher conversion rate. These insights can guide your strategy moving forward. Step 5, keep the human touch. While AI is an incredible tool, there's one thing it can't do: understand your business the way you do. That's why it's so important to stay involved in the process. AI doesn't know your brand voice, your customers' pain points, or your unique value proposition unless you tell it. Think of AI as a productivity booster, not a replacement for human creativity and strategy. So, to wrap it all up, yes, you can use AI to create Google search ads, and you should. Use AI tools to generate ad copy, take advantage of Google's built-in features, and analyze your results. But don't forget to keep that human touch. It's the secret ingredient that makes your campaigns truly stand out. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.